I'm Steve Dick, president of Guelph Solar. And it used to be that you really needed the grid to come to your home so that you could have power. The grid isn't always available to bring hydro to a property. We're able to power this small community. There's a number of homes here that are going to be powered from the sun without relying on the grid, so there's a certain independence.
Anton Lammers, designer, engineer with Guelph Solar, and we're completing a solar installation up in the Muskokas. It's about 50 acres of land, of which 12 buildings are going to be built. And it's a 33 kilowatt solar array and 100% off-grid. And so what we needed to do, we needed to set up a three-phase system in order to increase the voltage and the stability of the network, because all the subsequent buildings needed to have a very stable energy supply. So the array itself is unique. We built it into the landscape. The architects, the designers, the landscape architects, they wanted us to maintain the natural aesthetics of the land. It's really unique too because it matches the equinoxes. So the sunrise on December 21st matches the one angle of the panels, and the other one is optimized for sunset. And by having the panels in that semicircle, the panels on the east will then benefit from all the tree clearing that happened to the west, and likewise west to the tree clearing to the east. And so we're minimizing the amount of trees that needed to be cut down for this. And the batteries are amazing too. The batteries are lithium-ion batteries, which is ubiquitous now. That is where a lot of off-grid is going. That's where a lot of backup power is going. You're able to deplete those batteries down to 10–20% depth of discharge and all the way back up to 100% really quickly, really rapidly, and without much hysteresis in that battery. So they're warranted for 3,000 cycles, and so those lithium-ion just is far superior technology. In Ontario, you really can't live 100% off-grid without some sort of backup source. It is highly recommended to have a generator on site on those really cold, wintry, snowy days where you expect everything to be full. However, you just need that generator to bump the batteries up. The panels are at that angle that the snow really slides off within minutes of it landing on the solar panels. And so what we needed to do is we needed to raise those panels up off of the ground, minimum 5 to 7 feet, so that there's a way to pile that snow and clear it out of the way. And then also that solar array field will have native grass species and shrubs and bushes in there, some of which may grow a little taller, and which we want to make sure that the solar panels are out of the way of any shadows that they may cause.
This is part of the low carbon economy. Guelph Solar can deliver solutions using battery technology, solar technology, great electronic technology, and the internet. And people can live out in nature and enjoy the beauty that we have here in Ontario, in Canada, and live sustainably.